Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, sliding rear window, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.